this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Ziidi app unavailable on your M-Pesa app. So if you are trying to access your Ziidi app on the M-Pesa platform, but you can't access it, then I'll take you through a step-by-step process to troubleshoot this problem. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and first cross-check your Ziidi app on your M-Pesa app. So you can only access Ziidi platform or app through your M-Pesa app. Go ahead and open your M-Pesa app, enter your M-Pesa pin to log in and find Ziidi, either Ziidi Trader app or Ziidi Investment app, that is for money market funds. You should be able to see it under financial services. From here, you can now proceed and tap on your Ziidi app to start using it. However, if Ziidi app is not here under financial services, then there are a number of steps you can take to fix this problem. In the first method, you need to go ahead and update your app from your Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. So I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store. And then from Play Store, using the search icon or search bar on top here, go ahead and just search for M-Pesa. This will show you your M-Pesa app. Go ahead and tap on it. Find out if we have an update. One of the reasons why your Ziidi platform is missing on M-Pesa app is because you are using an outdated version of M-Pesa app. And to get the latest features that have been added to this M-Pesa app, you need to go ahead and update it to the latest version. So by doing this, now if you go back to your M-Pesa app, you should be able to find Ziidi platform. However, there is a possibility that even after updating it, you won't find Ziidi app. If that is your case, you need to go ahead and uninstall this app by long pressing on it and then choose uninstall. Or if you go back to your Play Store or App Store, you can uninstall it directly from here. After you have uninstalled it, go ahead and install it afresh. And this time around, after installing it, go ahead and log in again to your M-Pesa platform. Now, if you scroll down under financial services, you should be able to see Ziidi Trader or Ziidi Investment and Save platforms here. If you can't see them, go ahead and tap on View All, and this will list all the financial services apps that are on this platform. As you can see, we also have here Ziidi Pochi is among the services on this platform, as well as Ziidi Sharia is among the tools on M-Pesa app under financial services. So that's how you can fix Ziidi app unavailable on your M-Pesa app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.